So I'm just going to do a quick video because I have another pair of Vivos. These are totally unexpected. When I brought my other Vivos, which were the Gobi 2 highs, it was a toss-up between them or whether I wanted a pair of Trek shoes. So I entered a competition on Vivo on Instagram, and the competition was to win a pair of Vivos, and you had to describe, how it feels to be barefoot. So I entered the competition and I won. So this is super exciting. I haven't opened these yet, so I thought I'd do the video and open them with you guys. So let's just open them up. Oh, I'm so excited for these. Oh, these are the Magna, I think it is. Magna Trek. Yeah, Magna Trail. And this is the grey and pink. Again, this is a fully vegan shoe. Wow, these look amazing. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got the thermal in again. So I can wear these in the winter here in the UK. Got a nice easy tie up. A nice metal one at the top there. What's that say? Firm ground. So yeah, these are a lot firmer, but you can still completely do that with them. What have we got here? Warm, dry and moving naturally. Winterproof. I think it says on the website as close to waterproof as they can. Extra warm weatherproof upper, sealed sims and thermal insulation. Outcast technology. It's got some bits and bobs on that. I think that's reflective again. Feels nice. Get the other one out. Super excited to try these out at my mum's wood, because my mum owns a wood down in Telford and we go there most weekends in the van. So these should be really good if we're going there, because it's pretty muddy and a lot of clay and stones and all the rest of it. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'll try them on. Okay, so this is what they look like on. Oh, hang on, I'm going to have to get this angle right. Terrible. Clean my mirrors for you guys. They feel really comfy. It's quite snug around the ankle, but not too snug. And there's a lot of room in the toe box, so you can get away with wearing thicker socks, especially now in the winter. There we go. Easy to move around in, feel super comfy. Yeah, really pleased with these. And of course I didn't pay a penny because I won a competition. How amazing. Thank you, Vivo. See you in the next video.